Welcome to enhancement 7. In this enhancement, we're supposed to create an admin page and make it so the user can access to products when it has a determined level. So we're going to check that with the admin. It's like okay, so I don't want to save it, and there's a message with welcome admin user, and my user actually has a level 3, this admin user, so we can update the account by changing the data. And we also have this modify and delete. So first I'm going to add a new product to avoid damaging the database we already have. So it's going to create something like block, and it will be a block. The price will be 100 and it will be 10,000. I'm just using 2 buttons, so location will be up here, doesn't matter, and I'm going to be the vendor, so block. Okay, when we create, thanks for adding block. Okay, let's go back to the products, I believe. Yeah, it was miscellaneous. I don't even remember what I just... okay, block. So if I want to modify, I would have all, it would be big block. Okay, it works. Now if the big block we want to delete, yes, big block, delete. When we search it again, it isn't there. Okay, so it works, modify and delete. Let's log out of here, and again I'm going to log in, but with another user with a level 1, so it's not an admin, it's just a common user. It will be redirected to the home page. I believe so. Wait, I think I did something. Seems like I don't even remember my... oh, I remember, I changed this. Okay, so now it should work. Oh goodness. There. So when another user that has not the level greater than 1, well, it can only change the account data or rewrite the password. So I'm going to fix this, because wait, what? Okay, you have updated your account's data. Okay, it works. And if it doesn't work, oh sorry, it will show you a message that it was not possible to update, but then again you have updated accounts data. Okay, so it works. This is all I have, and yeah, it worked. Thank you for watching.